weekend. As you can see, the car's back in the shed after last week's race at Tamworth and non-race at Gunnedah. There's still some videos from Tamworth to upload yet. I'll get them done. It's been a busy week. But yeah, finally got the car. The shed has been raining outside all week now. Like I said, it's sunny, so sunny you can't even see out there. So yeah, we have a look at the car this afternoon, see if we can see what's wrong. I noticed on the trailer it is towing in a lot, so that explains why it was handling so terribly after the crash. And yeah, so why I ended up pulling in, because it was getting a bit spooky, so we pulled it in. It seemed okay at first, so yeah, we'll check it out and see what we can see. Look at is the actual damage to the body. Let's push the bumper bar in a bit here. They pulled out the tow truck for me on the infield on Saturday to get it off the wheel, but yeah, so we'll have to pull that. We'll have to pull that bumper bar off, get the porta power in there, get that off. That's alright. So yeah, let's get this bonnet off and have a bit of a look, see what we can see inside there. Well, straight you can see that it's knocked this corner in a bit. That should be straight. Zoom out a bit there. There we go. That should be straight. It's coming in, so we'll get the porta power in there, push that back out. Yeah, that's how it should look, something like that. It's actually bent up here into that area. I think this side's been bent before, I think, on this front end. This front end has been changed fairly recently, the last few years. So that's all that is. And underneath here, I think let's just push that bar in a bit, so we'll look on this side. It's still attached. I'll have to push this out. We'll see how that is. Yeah, let's get this wheel off and see if we can see anything. So if we look under here, there's no fresh metal there. I thought it might have been bent. Well, it's kicking up, but I think that's okay. We've got one over in the yard there. We'll have a look at it in a minute. You see the wheel has been rubbing here. The ball joint itself is pointing the wrong direction. It should be going up about there somewhere, and it's going into there, so that's had it. Top arm. It looks pretty good. These are new this year, so that's good. That cinema survived. We've got the, I think this, the top, there we go, we can get in the picture. And the seal split on this tyre right in here, so that probably need changing anyhow. And to be sure, we'll probably change that. Looks straight. So yeah, I think we might be looking at, for now at least, the ball joint and the rack end, tie end thing there. Right, let's go have a look at this other arm over in the yard. Yeah, it looks about right. See that ball joint goes straight through there like that. Whereas that, the one in the car, is sort of sitting like that when it shouldn't be. So yeah, I think we're sus of that. And the rack end. Yeah, there you go. We've got the wheel fully turned to the right. You can see where it's split the ball joint open there. So yeah, that's definitely crook. And the turret end, you can see the seals cracked there. If it's just from age or whatever, we'll change that as well. But what I have noticed, the front, it's actually broke the bumper bar through where the bolt goes through the hole for the bolt. It's got a spot there, so it broke there, so we'll pull the part, weld that back up after we push that front out. And there's one end next month at Tamworth, so hopefully we're ready for that. And we'd like to get up to, say, Insanity Land the week before, give it a test. We'll see how we go. Well, there you go, there's our damage report from Tamworth. Bit of front suspension damage, as I suspected. Bit of body bar work damage here as well. But it was a pretty big hit, like the car could come out of nowhere for a while, was. So yeah, I was just minding my business down low and it was instant up high, and yeah. The car still hit me, I was going fast as the thing goes down the straight, so yeah, could have been worse, could have been better. But that's is what it is, so yeah, we'll pull that bump bar off, fix up a bit, fix that metal up, yeah, get a couple bits covered for the front end and get it done. Anyhow, I might go watch it in the footy, so we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch out for some more videos coming from last weekend as well. But with that, we'll catch you later on.